Welcome back to ZoomInData. This is video 17 in our Azure Data Factory course. In this video, we will focus on core transformations in mapping data flows. These transformations are used in almost every real-world project, so understanding them clearly is extremely important before moving to advanced scenarios. Transformations are the steps where actual data processing happens. They allow us to modify data values, filter rows, select columns, or combine data. Transformations are applied between the source and the sink, and we can chain multiple transformations to build complex logic in a simple visual way. Azure Data Factory provides many transformations, but not all are used daily. Core transformations are the ones you will use in almost every pipeline. Once these are clear, advanced transformations become much easier to understand and apply correctly. The select transformation is one of the simplest but most important transformations. It allows us to choose only the columns we actually need. We can also rename columns or change their order, which helps in standardizing data before loading it into target systems. Using the select transformation early in the data flow is considered a best practice. By removing unnecessary columns, we reduce processing overhead and make the rest of the data flow easier to read and maintain. The filter transformation allows us to remove rows that do not meet specific conditions. It works very much like a where clause in SQL. Filtering data early ensures that only relevant records move forward in the pipeline. Filters are commonly used to remove inactive records, filter data by date ranges, or exclude invalid values. Almost every real-world pipeline uses at least one filter transformation. The derived column transformation allows us to create new columns or modify existing ones. For example, we can calculate totals, format dates, or apply conditional logic using expressions. Derived columns are extremely powerful. They are often used to apply business logic directly within the data flow, reducing dependency on downstream systems. The sort transformation is used when data needs to be ordered. Sorting is often required before applying aggregations or window-based logic. However, sorting can be expensive, so it should be used only when necessary. The aggregate transformation allows us to group data and calculate summary values. This is similar to group by in SQL and is commonly used in analytics and reporting use cases. Join transformation is used when data from multiple sources needs to be combined. It works similar to joins in SQL and is essential when working with normalized data models. Lookup transformation is used to enrich data by referencing another dataset. It is commonly used to add descriptive fields or validate incoming records against master data. Conditional split allows us to route data into multiple paths based on conditions. For example, valid records can go to one sink, while invalid records can go to another. The order in which transformations are applied is very important. Applying filters and selects early improves performance and reduces processing cost. Following performance best practices is very important. Avoid unnecessary transformations, reduce column count early, and avoid excessive sorting. Always test logic using debug mode and design data flows with scalability in mind. Common mistakes include overusing derived columns, joining large datasets unnecessarily, and sorting data without a real need. Ignoring schema changes and poor sequencing can also cause failures. Core transformations are essential and used in almost every data flow. They are simple but very powerful and form the foundation for advanced transformation logic. In the next video, we will move into advanced transformations. We will cover window functions, complex joins, and real performance tuning scenarios. Thank you for watching this video on ZoomInData. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.